Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a very simple look, very beginner friendly, on how I installed this wig, which is a very quick install, and how I did this cool little beat to go with it, my pretty pink little flirty lips. Get into the nails, they're like super cute. Yeah, now let's get into this video. Get into And this is the end result after I just dyed the hair using the watercoloring method. Right now I'm going to take my thermal shield spray and spray it all over the hair and comb it through to give it some protection as I blow dry it. After combing the hair, I'm going to apply my thermal heat protectant. It is an oil. I'm just going to use a pea-sized amount because that's all I need right now, because I don't want the hair to be too oily. I'm going to take it, rub it in my hands, and just rub it through the hair. Make sure I get the ends especially. And then after that, I'm going to flat iron this bad boy and get it bone straight. I'm so impressed with how this wig came out. This was my first time doing a watercoloring method, and if I do say so myself, she slayed it. The color is the bomb. The wig has so much body and it's still after flat ironing it and dyeing it. It's a go. Go to Amazon.com, get y'all that wig. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below, honey. Now I'm gonna apply a layer of foundation to tint the lace. Once I'm done, I'm going to take my bold hole glue and apply 3 layers to my head. And yes, I'm using a black cap because it's a quick tutorial and I do not feel like using no scalp method or anything like that, because it was really a quick tutorial just for this video. Dry, I'm just going to take the wig and place it where I need it to be, and I'm going to press it down using my rat tail comb tip and my fingers just to make sure it's on there nice and firm and securely. Now I'm going to take my satin scarf and lay down my edges. Then I'm going to apply my primer from Tarte. And then I'm going to go in and start carving my eyebrows using a light concealer. Once I have it carved out to my desired look, I'm going to take my blending sponge and just blend it out. Using a concealer that is my exact skin tone, I'm just going to highlight and contour the top of my brow. Now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and I'm just going to use the dark brown, the medium brown, and like the really light tan color on my eyes today. Now I'm going to take the medium brown shade and I'm just going to go in and use that for my transition color and just go above my cut crease area, and I'm going to get it in there just a little as well, just so I can get my blending perfect. Now I'm going to go on with the darker brown shade and I'm going to go into my cut crease area and I'm going to go a little bit above it because I have slightly hooded eyes, and I'm going to go on the outer corner edge of the eye. Using the light concealer that I used to highlight the bottom of my eye, I'm going to use it to cut the crease. Once that's done, I'm going to take that lighter brown shade that's kind of like a tannish color. I'm going to use that and I'm going to pat it onto the top of this. Using a jet black eyeliner, I'm just going to line the bottom of my eye. After that, I'm going to use my e.l.f. orange color corrector just to tone out some of the black marks on my face, so when I put on my foundation, everything will be a perfect little blend of colors. Now I'm going to go in using my Juvia's Place foundation. I cannot remember the color I use right now, so I will leave it in the description bar. But I'm going to go in with that, blend it out, and then we're going to start highlighting and contouring. Hey! Using my Juvia's Place foundation stick in a lighter skin tone, I'm going to highlight under my eyes, down my nose brim, on my chin, and on my forehead. And then I'm going to take that light concealer that I use in the video and put it on top of those areas to get a desired shade that I want. Now I'm going to take my stippling brush and just press it into the skin. Do not forget to spray your brushes with your setting spray just to set it as you go and to lock it in. I'm going to go in with my cream concealer in a darker shade to contour my face, and I'm going to go underneath my cheekbones, around my forehead, across my jawline, and on the side of my nose brim. Now I'm going to take my flat concealer brush and just press it into the skin to blend it out. And I'm going to blend upward for my jawline and upward for my cheekbone line and inward or downward per se for my forehead. Now I'm going to use my Juvia's setting powder and just set the concealer on my face. I'm not going to bake, I'm just going to press it into the skin. Using my Black Radiance True Complexion palette, I am going to take the darker shade just to set the cream contour that I applied to my face. Now it's time for the blush, which is my favorite part because I love blush. So I'm just going to throw my Black Radiance blush on my cheekbones just to give some color to this look on my face. Now once that is done, we're going to go in with our gold highlight that's in that Black Radiance palette and just add it on my eyebrow bone, my cheekbone, down my nose brim, just to throw some sparkle up in there. You know, a little razzle dazzle never hurt. Once that is done, we're gonna go in with our setting powder and just set underneath of our contour area to give it a crisp look. Then we're gonna blend that out. Then we're gonna spray our setting spray. Now we're gonna go in with our Ruby Kisses brow gel and set our brows for the day. Once that is done, we're going to take our e.l.f. mascara and apply it to our lower lash line to open up our eyes. Now we're going to take our classic lashes from the Embrace collection and apply them to our face just to give this look a simple, settled look. Now it's time for the gloss. We're going to add our coral pink gloss from the Embrace collection to our lips just to give it a fun, flirty little look. And of course, I got to add my moles and all of that. Now it's time to remove the edge wrap and comb down our hair and just check out our end results. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.